Hello! And we are live. Hello, everyone. Ay, ay. Teka lang muna ha, kasi pag minsan nagluluko, there you go. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world and where you are tuning from right now. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening again. So, I'm here live. And time check muna tayo. Today is 1:04 in the afternoon, September. What's the date today? I think it's September 15. Yeah. And it's Sunday, so I hope everyone is enjoying their family day because Sunday is a family day and it's a time to, uh, sabi nila no work, but I'm working for today, for today. So, so yes, enjoy everyone. Enjoy with their family bonding. Na-distract lang ako sa aking asawa, o 'di ba? Kunwari pa ayaw mag-live pero gusto naman. So, yes, hello po sa inyong lahat. I'm here again live and to those who are first time to see me, my name is Julie Ann and I'm here from Anyo, California, originally from Philippines. And you might see me every day on my page, which is Jawan Kids, and my Facebook profile that I do daily live, go live, because we have this 90 day success challenge that, every day we have a certain topic. And I joined this challenge because of three main things. So, personal growth, professional development, and to form a new habit, right? To, because it will take time forming a new habit. That's why I joined this one. And for today, actually today is our 56th day of our 90 day success challenge. And usually, if it's Sunday, we are talking about our insights and learnings on our weekly topic. Because for this week, our topic was personal growth and development. And one takeaway, I'll just go straight away of what I've learned on this weekly challenge. And one takeaway is the power of mindfulness and being present. Because of this personal growth and development, that is what I've learned, because it has more deeper meaning. We're in the power of mindfulness and being present. It's like, yes, of course, being mindful. Yeah, you know that like, for example, you're eating, you want the food, but going deeper in it, you want the food, because it's just like you're having a reason. You're digging it deeper why you want the food, because it is your favorite, because you're craving for it, because you miss the taste of it, and you just want your body to be fulfilled. That's the inner meaning of something. And for this week, that is what I've learned. So it's just like my banner title. It says there that live fully, savor every moment. So it's just like living fully in the moment, which leads to greater self-awareness. So mas nagiging self-aware ka internally, not externally, but internally. Your inner thoughts, you're focusing deeper to clarify something and for personal expansion. So yun yung kagandahan, yung natutunan ko ngayong week. Just like having this 90 day success challenge. Initially, I just want to join the 90 day success challenge because I just want to, just to have that task, or just to finish it, or just to see it, 'di ba? Parang ganun. Pero as I go along on my journey to this 90 day success challenge, I was able to I was able to learn things, dig deeper on what I really, really want. And it shows me how to internalize more. It's just like working your consciousness. Oh, ba? Oh, ayan, natakal yung consciousness yesterday. And there's a lot of topics regarding on that, and I've heard from our business partners. And on this one, because of this 90 day success challenge, I was able to dig deeper on what's my purpose, or why did I do this 90 day success challenge? Bakit nga ba? So that's the reason why, and it's leading me on the right track or right direction, and I'm learning more insights that this is not the only like finishing your task, or just doing it just to finish the just to see, or just to finish the deal, the 90 days. No, but it's not. So it's just like joining the challenge because you want to dig deeper, you want to know your purpose, and you want to know why are you doing this one. So those things are the things that I've learned here in our 90 day success challenge. And because of this one, I was able to one by one see what's my purpose, or why am I doing this uh, 90 day success challenge. And it's a good thing that one of my purpose why I joined is personal growth and personal development. So yun yung nakakaganda. So may gusto lang akong i-share. There's a saying that I want to share, na parang isang saying ng aking not kaibigan, but it's from our coworker. So it says here, never be in way too much in a hurry to even notice the ordinary days when they occur. So that is one of the sayings that I've encountered, or I've learned from a friend. Where she's a coworker, and and it it goes with the topic for today, which is the power of mindfulness and being present. So because sometimes we do rush things just to finish, or just to, just for example, I'll just give you an example. Eating alone, 'di ba? Pag kumakain tayo, eating alone is sometimes we just eat because we just want to satisfy our palate, or we just want to satisfy our hunger. But we didn't even notice that, that food is so delicious. That food is made, cooked by someone you loved, and that food was has a lot of nutrients to offer. Parang ganun. So one advice or one takeaway is that never be in a way too much hurry to even notice the ordinary days when they occur. And especially if it's just like going into a party. You just go to a party, it's just because they just invited you, or just to show up. But no, you have to go there and enjoy and be with the person and celebrate with the person who celebrated their biggest day. It's just like that. And then take every moment, right? Because life is too short. You don't know, and you don't want to live on what ifs. So you have to live every moment, savor every moment, and enjoy every moment, and then treasure it, right? That you're making memories with your loved ones. So don't be living on what ifs only. So that is one of the things that I've learned from the weekly topic. And then it also it also shows us to not only focus on our external achievement, but also on nurturing our internal consciousness, understanding our thoughts, which we focus more clarity, and to unlock more personal expansion. So nagiging yung mga natutunan natin sa mga bagay-bagay, yun yung parang we're living into it, because para magkaroon tayo ng mas malawak na pag-intindi. So, parang it's just like, ano ba yan? Are we growing? Are we growing more mature on these days? Parang 'pag ganitong mga usapan parang tumatanda na ba ako? Bakit ganito yung mga iniisip ko? I'm thinking more of, deeper things, deeper thoughts because tulad noon, you just finish your studies because you just want a degree, not understanding that you some na napilitan lang na, for example ha, napilitan lang na pero karamihan naman kasi I have a lot of friends who took up nursing because that is what the trend that day, and lahat nagsisilayasan na lahat nagkakaroon ng bright future because of nursing. So they took up nursing knowing at the end of the school year or knowing after they have graduated, they just realized na it's not making them happy. It's just like they just took it because they want a degree. Yun yung parang yan yung parang naging topic ngayon ngayong week na to, 'di ba? So they should be, pero meron din yung iba na they just took up nursing because they don't like me. I took up nursing because I just yun yung trend. But when I finished the degree and started working, nagiging passion mo na. Parang dun mo na nadidig deeper na, oh, maybe because I love to deal with the people, or maybe because I love to deal or to treat people, or to cure people, to help cure people, di ba? Yung mga ganyan. So parang gano'n yung naging topic ngayong week na 'to, the power of mindfulness and being present. So, parang dun ka na lumalalim ang pag-iisip mo at pag-iintindi at lumalawak yung pagkatao mo at saka yung personalidad mo. So, yun yung parang magandang naging topic ngayon, and there's another one banner that I want to share, which is the, ano 'to, ah, ito rin, isa din ito na teka lang ha, edit, ayan, ito. Be present in each moment and you'll find the beauty in ordinary. So it's the same thing as the banner that I've shared a while ago. And parang ito yung pinapaintindi sa atin na we should be at least mindful na may mga katabi tayo, na may mga kasama tayo. It's just like yung example ko kanina na for example is eating alone, 'di ba? Eating alone, ang daming mga distractions, ang daming mga kung anik-anik ang mga ginagawa ng mga tao, just like your TV, your cellphone, you're not concentrating on your food, hindi mo ka nako-concentrate sa kaharap mo. And being mindful is that we take all that distractions, we take all that uh, panggulo, and then we just focused on something na which is more reliable and more more na ano na 'to, more na naintindihan mo yung pagkatao ng isang tao. So you have to give up all those distractions and then just focus on the eating alone so that you will enjoy the food, you will enjoy the company if who's eating with you. Or if not, you will reflect on kung gaano kasarap yung pagkain, yung ganyan, ang mga tinuro ngayong week na 'to. And then, yung may "Oy, good morning." Ito muna ha, shout out lang muna sa mga aking viewers, sa mga pumasok ngayon. Hi, Sis Salcon. Thank you, sis, for coming in. Happy Sunday po. Just a quick live. Mahaba masyado kasi pag weekly insights, and those are the things that came into my mind, the power of being mindfulness and being present. So, parang yun lang yung aking finocus ngayon. And then, good morning, Sis Lay. Blessed Sunday, Sis. Enjoy church and enjoy the family bonding. And then the other, but this is the last word that I can tell to everyone. Uh, Even if there are a lot of distractions, even if there's a lot of struggles in life or challenges in life, always always don't let don't let the hard days win. Find strength and keep going and rise above. Especially this is Sunday, we have to pray for everything, for our new Monday for the new week ahead. So, yes, don't let the hard days win, because if you let that win, ayan na, magsisink in ng mga depression, mga sasabihin mo na sadness, di ba? Mga naglo-lower ang self-esteem at saka yung confidence level nawawala. So don't let those hard days win. You know that you can be better, and then keep going and rise above. Keep going, that you learn from what you have from what you have you failed from, and keep going, that you've learned the lessons from the mistakes that you made, and then be better from that. So yes, today is Sunday. Just want to share this verse, Matthew 36 verse Matthew 6, verse 34. Therefore, do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own. So, iba-iba yan. So, tomorrow will be a new day, and tomorrow will be a new opportunity. So, just keep going. Just leave the past behind and keep going. Don't mind all those negativities in life, right? Just be positive all the time. So, that is the my weekly insight for today, and that is my goal life for today. And have a blessed Sunday, everyone. Have a good day and enjoy your day. God bless. Uy, shout out lang muna kay Sir Roy Tamisan, watching from Qatar. Hello, hello sir. Patapos na ako ng aking live. But anyway, have a blessed Sunday and enjoy. And kumusta? Regards ako dyan sa Qatar peeps. Mga kasama natin dyan. And thank you everyone for coming into my live and watching. And hopefully, I was able to uh, share something for today. Thank you, and see you tomorrow on our 57th day of 90 Days Success Challenge. And yes, I have this, I joined this challenge because, yes, I joined this 90 Days Success Challenge because of three main things: professional growth, personal growth, and to form a new habit. And right now, still learning and still, ano sabi doon, yung malayo na pero malayo pa. Kasi this is our 56th day, and I'm learning a lot of things. And this is the start. Simula pa lang 'to, parang step one, no, 'di ba, ng aking professional growth. So we'll see how it goes. And yes, oo nga, sumaglit lang ako at nasa work at the moment. Yes, enjoy, aba. And then regards and God bless sa inyo. God bless then when you visit us here in San Francisco area. Yes. And yes, see you soon. Have a blessed Sunday, everyone. Thank you for watching and coming. Bye bye.